troubleshoot a lighting contactor that is not releasing, firstly verify the switch operation. Ensure that the switch is functioning correctly and providing power to the coil when in the on position and not providing power when in the off position. Secondly, check the coil resistance. Use a multimeter to measure the resistance of the coil. It should be within the specified range for the contactor. If the resistance is too high or low, the coil may be damaged. Thirdly, inspect the contact block. Remove the contact block from the contactor and inspect it for any damage such as arcing, pitting, or loose connections. Ensure that the contact surfaces are clean and make good contact when the contactor pulls in. Fourthly, test the magnetic circuit. Use a small piece of ferrous metal, such as the screwdriver, to check the magnetic circuit of the contactor. When the contactor is energized, the metal should be attracted to the armature and release when the power is removed. If the metal does not release when the power is removed, there may be a problem with the magnetic circuit. Fifthly, examine the shutter adjustment. The contactor may have a shutter adjustment screw that needs to be adjusted to ensure proper contact release. Check the manufacturer's instructions for the correct adjustment. Sixthly, check for sticking. If the contactor is not releasing due to sticking, it may be caused by friction or mechanical interference. Clean and lubricate any moving parts that may be causing the contactor to stick. Possible causes for lighting contactor failing to release include a damaged coil, a damaged contact block, problems with the magnetic circuit sticking due to friction or mechanical interference, or foreign objects such as a screw interfering with operation. Some recommendations include: if the coil is damaged, replace it. If the contact block is damaged, replace it. If there is a problem with the magnetic circuit, contact the manufacturer for repair or replacement. Clean and lubricate any moving parts that may be causing the contactor to stick. Remove any foreign objects that may be interfering with operation. If all else fails, contact a qualified electrician for further troubleshooting and repair.